Sports with Jake Duran.
Last Thursday, the Northern Michigan women's soccer team captured their first GLIAC regular season title in program history with a win on the road against Michigan Tech. The conference champions were back home this afternoon to begin GLIAC postseason play. NMU welcomed Purdue Northwest in the quarterfinals. Let's go to the Superior Dome for the quarterfinal match between the Wildcats and the pride of Purdue Northwest. Molly Pistorius would help get the Wildcats off to a fast start, scoring just 24 seconds into the game. Here she is looking for her second goal of the match, but that shot going to go wide right. We stay at 1-0 Cats. NMU would get a handful of good opportunities throughout the remainder of the first half. 31st minute, Angelina Peritano's header attempt is saved. And then later in the 42nd minute, Sammy Brown on the break. And her shot will be denied. We're going to go into the half at 1-0 Wildcats. Second half now in the 64th minute. Cats on the attack. The ball going to find Pistorius. And this time she will convert her second goal of the game to make it 2-0 NMU. Then in the 87th minute, Peritano will put this one away. The Wildcats, they are moving on to the second round in the GLIAC postseason tournament with a 3-0 win over Purdue Northwest.
I'm very proud of my team. We did a great job of switching the ball and putting the attack and just connecting through the midfield. We got some good goals out of it, and I'm proud of our team today and looking forward to Friday's game.
I mean, we started off very quick, and then once we got the initial goal, we kind of took our foot off the pedal a little bit. We talked about some of the adjustments that we needed to make at halftime, and after kind of a slow start in the second half, we were able to pick it up and find the second and third goal. It's an experienced group. It's a group that's been part of semifinals and GLIAC finals before, so it's a lot of experience within this roster, and they know how to handle those moments. And they understand that the semifinal game is typically the most important one. Once you win that one, anything can happen in the final. We're just excited to be on our home field in front of our home fans for the first time in program history.
The Wildcats will host Ferris State this Friday. The hope is the match will be held on the Cats' outdoor field, but could be inside the Superior Dome depending on the weather. The time of that match is to be determined.